Hey everybody, today is May 15th. We just got out of camp and slept in. It was really nice. Had some breakfast and we are on the trail. The day is overcast. It's very nice out, very cool. But it's supposed to rain around 11 and we have an 80% chance of thunderstorms rolling in around 4 o'clock. So as much as we'd like to move slow today, we may try to get into the shelter before 4. So we will see. Won't be my first thunderstorm, so we might just take a shower. Murph needs a shower. Anyway, we are off. It's funny, sometimes this thing turns not on if you say the wrong word in the middle of your talk. It'll just shut down. But anyway, it's been raining a bit and now we got dense fog and we're heading down into the valley. I think we're 5 miles out from our shelter tonight. We stopped for lunch, but this is what we've got for today. This is what we picked to eat. So